Hi, this is Andrew Pang. Welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Monday, July 14th, 2008. The big news over the weekend was the U.S. government's willingness to step in with a plan to back up Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, ensuring that they have the capital to survive the continuing U.S. housing crash and other financial market turmoil. The announcement helped the Greenback gain against the euro during Asian and European trading. After opening the week at 1.5970, a three-month high, the euro-dollar pair slid down to 1.5840. The dollar gave back some of those gains in New York trading, as the deal may work to add extra strain on the federal debt and spell further trouble for the dollar's fundamentals in the longer term. The dollar-yen pair opened the week recovering some of its losses from Friday, but resistance at 106.80 turned the pair around. U.S. stocks opened higher as the immediate concern of a collapse by the two mortgage giants receded. However, after the initial reaction, stocks weakened. The pair fell in favor of the yen as a result. The same theme held for the U.S. dollar-Canadian dollar pair. The greenback gained overnight, reaching near the 1.0140 level, but as New York trading progressed, fell to a two-week low to test 1.0050. The Bank of Canada meets tomorrow, and in the last week, the pair has been trending down. Turning to today's fundamental releases, the UK showed that its producer output inflation cooled in June on a monthly basis, though increased in annual terms. The 10% annual increase is in fact the highest since 1986, when records began. For the month, output prices were up 0.9%, lower than expectations. UK producer input prices were up 2.1% on the month and a whopping 30.3% on the year. Input prices are more directly affected by surging petroleum prices. In terms of market movements, the annual figures won the day as the pound-dollar pair advanced 90 pips following the UK release. The pair was back near its highs from Friday, around the 1.9930 level as of 11 a.m. Eastern. Industrial production in the Eurozone fell 1.9% in May, reversing the gains seen in April. The data underlines the recent weakness in the Eurozone's economy as higher credit costs and weaker consumer spending limit spending by companies, and European goods become more expensive abroad as a result of a stronger euro. In New Zealand, retail sales fell 1.2% in May, offsetting the 1.2% gain in April. The results surprised forecasts on the downside. Sales were most affected by a drop in autos. Core sales, which exclude the auto sector, showed a 0.7% increase, a turnaround from the 0.5% decrease from April. Directly following the release, the Kiwi-US dollar pair fell to 0.7565, but quickly recovered. It continued gaining overnight, climbing to 0.7635 by 12 noon Eastern, close to its high set on Friday. The fundamental docket heats up overnight and into tomorrow. Tonight, New Zealand posts data on consumer prices and food prices. The UK releases its BRC retail sales monitor and the RICS house price balance. From Australia, we get meeting minutes, while the Bank of Japan decides on interest rates. Overnight, the UK reviews figures on consumer and retail prices. Germany and the Eurozone post their ZEW measure of economic sentiment. Tomorrow, the US releases data on retail sales and producer prices, along with the Empire Manufacturing Index. Finally, in Canada, the central bank will announce its decision on interest rates. And that wraps it up for the day in Forex News. Join us again right here at cmsfx.com. Until next time, happy trading.